It's a windy day today. Yeah, it's windy and wind's about 20 miles per hour and the gust is about 40 something. I'm not sure what the gust is. Says it might reach over 40 miles per hour. There's a big wind. Haven't made a wind chime video in a while. But, yeah, it hasn't been windy in a while, too. And it is a bit windy. It hasn't been windy like this in about a month. That's why I haven't recorded wind chimes much. Early this morning was, something different, and I also recorded too. Well, it's on the deck railing where I set it up. This morning we had a tornado warning, and it was very windy. Wind chimes were blowing crazy and it was pouring down so hard. And that was crazy. It was like about a little after 4:30 in the morning. Yeah. And yeah, the sirens are going off too. And the tornado warning ended at 5:15. Yeah. It's not really much damage to trees or stuff. There's like little branches that fell. There's some branches up there. But we're good. Nothing bad happened. We're lucky. And I do have a tornado warning video of it. If y'all want to check it out. And my tripod's on the deck railing. I'll show y'all. It's right there. That's the charging thing on the battery. I mean, that's the charging for the phone to be charged on the tripod. Yeah, I do that when there's a storm sometimes overnight when we're sleeping. I set up that over there to record wind chimes if anything goes bad, or if anything like is very windy, I can upload those videos. And I'm really glad I did that this morning. Right now it's almost 1 o'clock, and I woke up at about almost noon because of the weather, and I had a late sleep in. I went to sleep at like 6 or something in the morning, and the wind was calmed too, and yeah. Had a late sleep in. But today's gonna be a windy day. Got some nuts on the trees. Last few days, well, like 2 weeks ago, it was very warm. The temperatures were in the 70s, and it was very nice. They were very nice days. It wasn't cold at all. It was really warm. Last few days. But in the next few days, it's gonna be cold again. It's gonna be lows are gonna be in the 30s, 40s, and 20s. It's gonna be back to cold. When I woke up this morning when the tornado happened, it was extremely windy, and I heard wind chimes blowing crazy. Yeah. And then it was scary, and we were scared too. Well, just a bit scared. And I was recording over there. Well, I was inside actually, and I left the phone out there to record for overnight. Yeah, that's why I do that sometimes to stories. But we're all good. Nothing bad happened. And the wind chimes are good too. My dog playing with his toy. So these chimes are okay. None of our chimes are twisted. My chimes are good. Our last time we had a tornado warning it was a while back. It was like 5 years ago, in 2020. Yeah. That was the last time we had one, and we had one this morning. in the future we're gonna get new shutters because as you can see it's starting to rot and peel. Well, it's been like this for a few years. We're gonna get new shutters soon, all new shutters for these 4 windows. Right now they're brown, same to the door. And my mom was thinking about getting green shutters for here, for our house, and painting the door green too. Yeah, it's gonna be, the shutters are gonna be a little different. It's not gonna be like that kind, not the ones with the vents. Yeah, we'll see in the future, but we are definitely replacing these soon, and all of these, and paint the door green and get green shutters. So yeah.